A couple with 3 years old son came to live in a haunted house. Here is everything black. It was a mafia family's house. Here is a small child's ghost who doesn't let anyone to step inside the house. Nobody has seen him but felt his anger. Let's see for how many seconds this couple stays here. Jimin looked around the house. So this is a house. Jungi, it's a mansion, Jimin. Jimin, it's so beautiful. Jungi, I still can't believe we got this big mansion in such a cheap price. Jimin, I heard people were saying here is a child's ghost. Jungi, here is no ghost, Jimin. If he is, then we should thank the ghost to help us to buy this mansion in such a cheap price. Jimin, yeah, we should. About 90 degree. Thank you so much, ghost. Jungi, here is everything. We just need to arrange our things. Jimin, we will do that tomorrow. Now let's go to the room and sleep. I'm so tired. See, Cookie is already sleeping. Jungi gave him Cookie. You take him to the room. I'm coming with our bags. Our room is in upstairs. Jimin, okay, let's go to our room, baby. Sit to sleepy, Jimin. Baby. Time skipped after some times. It's 2 a.m. in the morning. Junmin were sleeping peacefully in their room. A cute boy stepped down from the staircase while cutely rubbing his eyes. Cook looked here and there. New house? Dada, appa talk. Cookie happy. It was all dark, lights were off, but as soon as Cookie took a step, lights turned on. Cook looked here and there. Who light on? Nobody here. He was still processing who heard on the lights, but just then lights up started blinking. Cook again looked here and there. Light play, Cookie. Cookie play too, yay! Said happily. He started jumping and matching with Blink. Just then a ghost appeared. Ghost, go away. Cook, amazed. Wow! Smokey! Ghost, I'm not smoke, I'm ghost. Cook, ghost! Cook, ghost. Yeah, ghost, go away from here. It's my house. Cook, Cookie, appa, tata, house, no ghost. Cookie, no go. Ghost, then I will eat you. If you love your life, then go away. Cook, how ghost eat Cookie? Ghost, no mouth. Ghost, oh, you mean how can ghost eat Cookie when ghost doesn't have mouth? Cook nodded his head vigorously. Yes. Ghost, I have big mouth. I can easily eat you. Cook, how believe ghost Cookie? Ghost screamed, ah! Cook, shh, no shout. Appa, tata, sleepy. Appa, tata, tired, no tippy. Appa, tata, uti? Ghost, confused. Tippy? Cook nodded his head vigorously. Yes, tippy. Ghost, what's tippy? Cook, ghost, no tippy? Ghost shook his head vigorously. No. Cook, ghost dumb. Ghost, no, I'm not dumb. I'm all don't know the meaning of TB. Cook, but Cookie knows. Cookie smart. Cookie tell dumb ghost. Ghost offended. Hey, don't call me dumb. I'm not dumb. Cook, yes, ghost dumb. Ghost no DP? Ghost screamed. No! Cook, shh. Cookie tell ghost na. No DP cookies. Appa, tata, sleepy. No wiki, appa, tata. Ghost looked at him. Then tell to me the meaning of Tippy, otherwise I will disturb Cookie, Shappa and Tata sleep. Cook mad. No. Ghost no Tippy, Cookie, Shappa, Tata. Ghost bad. Ghost shook his head vigorously. No, I'm not bad ghost. I'm good ghost. Cook shook his head vigorously. No! Good ghost, no Tippy anyone. Team Ghost thinks hard. Really? Cook nodded his head vigorously. Yes, really. Yan. Cookie sleepy. Lay down on the couch. No Tippy Cookie. Go Cookie blanket. Ghost quickly went to his room and brought his baby blanket and covered him properly. Cookie hugged the pillow and closed his eyes. Ghost blew. Are you sleeping? Cook turned to his side. Cookie sleepy. Cookie talk ghost morning. Good night ghost. Ghost, oh, good night. Cook while closing his eyes. Ghost sleep Cookie blanket pick. Ghost, no, I'm fine here. Cook, ghost off light. Ghost, Utti, turned off the lights. Time skipped in the morning. Jimin woke up first and saw Cookie wasn't with them. He got panicked and woke up Yoongi. They both started searching him and found him sleeping peacefully in the living room with his blankets. Right now, Jimin was serving breakfast and Yoongi was reading newspapers. Cookie was sitting on the table. Jimin angrily looked at Yoongi. Yoongi, will you eat your breakfast or not? It's the second time I reheated your coffee. Yoongi, eyes on newspaper. I will drink, honey. Why are you shouting? Jimin snatched the paper and hid on his head. One day I will burn your newspaper. Now have your breakfast. I'm not your servant who will keep reheating the food. Do you know how much work is pending? You will go to your office and relax. I have to set the whole house. Our unpacking is still left. What will happen if you take 2 days off? Is this house only my responsibility to set the house? Yoongi looked at him with scared eyes. When did I say this? Why are you getting angry in this early morning? You don't need to worry. I will return home early, then help you to set the house. Jimin, yeah, I know you're early. In this 5 years of marriage, you never come home early. And now you will come home early. Let it be. I know I have to do everything alone. Yoongi, you know me very well. Cook, Appa, no, alone. Cookie, help Appa. Jimin looked at him, then Yoongi. See, your little version will help me, who only know how to create mess. Cook, Cookie, no little. Cookie, big boy. Jimin, oh, my big boy. Why did you come to living room? You know how much Appa and Dada is scared to not found you between us. Cook, Cookie, new house. Cookie, ghost meet. Yoongi, oh, our Cookie met with ghost. Cook nodded his head vigorously. Yes, Dada. Yoongi, so what did ghost say to Cookie? Cook, ghost, Tippy, Dada, Appa sleep. But Cookie, good boy. Cookie, shake ghost, no Tippy. Cookies, Appa, Dada, sleeping. Jimin, while feeding him his food, and Ghost understood cooking. Cook, Appa, Ghost tam na, Ghost no, Tippy no. Yoongi, Ghost isn't expert to understand your broken language now. Give him some time, he will understand that DB means disturb. Ghost, while listening their conversation, oh, TP means disturb. Now I will tell him he was calling me dumb. Now I will prove him that I'm not dumb. Flew away. Time skipped at night. Jimin set the house. Cookie was playing in the living room. Here is more space to play. Yoongi helped Jimin to set the kitchen and bedroom. Right now, Cookie was waiting for Ghost. He brought two milkshake. He won a friendship with Ghost because he doesn't has any friend with whom he can play. Jimin prepared the milkshake and gave to him. Yunmin were watching him from a staircase and smiling to see his eager face. Yoongi, just see how eager and happy is our cute little bunny. Jimin, he is happy because finally he will get someone with whom he can play. By the way, do you believe that there is a ghost in our house? Yoongi, no ways, there isn't any ghost. It's just this house is made on full dark themes, so people think here is a ghost. Local people spread the rumors that here is a ghost. Because of that, no one is interested to buy this such a beautiful mansion. Jimin, but what if here is any real ghost then? Yoongi, stop talking like kids. Ghost doesn't exist. Jimin, if there is God, then there is ghost too. It's just about belief. Yoongi, you also have a point. But don't worry, here isn't a ghost. We are safe in this house. Jimin looked at Cook. And what about Cookie? Yoongi, Cookie is a small baby. He must have imagined ghost. He was in deep sleep. Let it be. Let him play. I will bring him back when he will sleep. Jimin, okay, let Cook while waiting. When ghost come, ghost, dumb ghost. Ghost appeared. I'm not dumb. I know the meaning of TP. Cook, then tell Cookie. Ghost, TP means disturb. See, I'm also smart. Now don't you dare to call me dumb ghost. I'm a smart ghost. Cook, who helped ghost? Ghost, I'm smart ghost. Started blinking. Cook, wow, ghost shine. How? Ghost, I have powers. I can shine. Happily spin. Cook, ghost friend Cookie. Ghost looked at him. Friends means? Cook shocked. Ghost no friends no? Ghost shook his head vigorously. No, I don't have any friend. Now tell me now, what is friendship? Cook, friends play together, eat together, think together, stay together. Please, friend Cookie. Cookie strong. Cookie protect ghost. Ghost, no, I'm strong too. Cook looked at the milkshake. See, Cookie Shappa milkshake ghost. Cookie ghost drink together. Gave him mug. Ghost looked at the mug. What's this? Cook, this the milkshake Cookie Shappa made. Ghost looked at the mug and came to his real self and looked at the mug and started drinking. Cook looked at him. Wow! Ghost like Cookie. Ghost looked at him. Shh, don't tell anyone about this. Cook, tea, house milkshake. Ghost took a sip. It's just tasty. What's this? Cook, chocolate milkshake. Now ghost friend Cookie. Ghost while drinking his chocolate milkshake. If you promise me to give this daily, then I will become your friend. Cook, promise. Cookie give tasty food. Ghost happy. Ghost very happy. Said happily. Cook, cookies cookie. Ghost, and I am ghost. Cook, ghost your name? Ghost, no, my name is Tiang. Cook, Tiang, tea. Cookie, ghost tea. Tea or tea. Cookie can call ghost tea. Cook, Oti, Yan. Cookie sleepy. Tea. Oti, Titi will come tomorrow. Cook. Good night, Titi. Tea. Good night, Cookie. Cook laid on the couch and hugged the pillow tightly. Titi brought his blanket and covered him, then flew away. After a few minutes, Yoongi came there and saw Cookie was sleeping peacefully. He picked him in his arms and took him to their room. Time skipped in the morning. Titi came to Yunmin's room and found Cookie was sleeping between Yunmin and both of them hugging him protectively. He became sad to see them. Except Cookie, no one can see him. After a few minutes, Yunmin woke up and got ready. Yoongi ready Cookie and went to Jimin. Cookie saw Titi was sitting in the air. He was looking sad. Cook, good morning, Titi. Titi looked at Cook. Good morning, Cookie. Cook, Titi sad. What happened? Titi, I came to wake up Cookie, but Cookie was sleeping with his Appa and Dada. I'm sad to see you all together. I also want a family, but I don't have anyone. Cook, Titi no sad. Titi Cookie friend. Cookie's Appa Dada love Titi too. Titi looked at him with hopeful eyes. Really? Cookie's Appa and Dada loves Titi too? Cook, really? Now Cookie, Titi go. Appa made tasty pricky. Titi licked his lips. Titi will also eat. Cook, Titi brush first. Cookie ready, Titi. Tea. Cookie made Titi ready and brought him to dining room. Jimin was feeding Cookie his meal. Titi was sitting on the table and looking at the food. Cook, Titi, eat, not look. Jimin, Cookie, whom are you talking, baby? Cook pointed his finger on Titi. Yoongi, who is Titi, Cookie? Cook, Cookie's friend. Cookie friend ghost. Jimin smiled. Oh, that's very good. Titi, you can eat whatever you want. Tea picked a strawberry from fruit basket and started eating. Yunmin thought Cookie was playing, so they played along with him. They were totally unaware of Tea's presence. Time skipped after a week. A week passed like this. Tea Cook's friends became super strong. They both played together. When Yunmin taught Cookie, so Tea learned too along with him. Tea didn't harm anyone. He helped Jimin to clean the house, but always spread the kitchen in attempt to find food. In the beginning, Yunmin thought Cookie is only playing, but when food items, especially strawberries, started missing, they found something suspicious. They tried to talk with Cookie and find out the truth. Cookie told them about Titi, but they didn't believe him. Today, they came to their friend's house. Cookie was playing with their kids. Titi didn't come with them because he didn't like to go outside. Mr. Kim, Yoongi, you both are living in haunted house. Are you alright? Yoongi, we are alright. There isn't any ghost. It's just a rumor. Mrs. Kim, no. It's not a rumor. Few years ago, a couple tried to buy the house, but they couldn't step inside the house. They felt a shock. Nobody saw the ghost, but they noticed strange things in the house. Jimin, strange things means? Mr. Kim, like small childs screaming and crying voice. Jimin, but we are living there from a week. We didn't face any strange things. We never heard any child screaming or crying. Yoongi, can you tell us the story of our house, about the child who became ghost? Mrs. Kim, few months ago in our neighborhood's maid, whose sister worked in that house, told us that few years ago there was mafia family. The couple has a 5-year-old son, Tehang. One day, Mafia's rival attacked on them. Couple hid Tiang in the house and ran away from the house to distract their rival. But their rival killed them. Jimin, oh, and what happened to Tiang? Mr. Kim, he was still in the house. His parents told him to not come out from their hiding place until they themselves come to pick him. But his parents already, after 2 days, he passed away because of hunger and thirst. Yunmin felt a sting of pain in their heart to hear the whole story. They all came back to their home. Here Titi was waiting for Cookie. He was insecure. He thought just like his parents didn't come after leaving him, Cookie will also not come. Out of anger, he destroyed whole house. When Yunmin opened the door, they became super shocked to see this. Cookie was so angry. Titi, he quickly came to him and calmed down his anger. Cook, Titi, what happened? Why Titi spread things? Yoongi pulled him back. Cookie, here is no one. With whom are you talking? Cook, with Titi, Tata. Titi angry. Jimin, Cookie, here is no one. Yoongi, let's go back. I'm not feeling good. Yoongi, okay. Cook, no. Cookie, no go. Titi, friend. But when they tried to turn around to go outside, door blocked by itself on. All the things started moving. Yunmin hugged Cookie tightly. Teen shouts, Cookie's mine! You can't take Cookie with yourself. I will take Cookie in my world. Cook, Titi, no arm. Cookie, Shappa Tata. Cookie, no go anywhere. Yoongi, Cookie, here is no one, baby, stop talking. Cook, no, Titi mad. Jimin looked here and there. Titi, are you listening me? I know you can hear me. Stop throwing the things. We won't go anywhere. Yoongi, yes, we won't go. Talk with us. Come in front of us. T appeared. He only has one friend. Please don't take Cookie away from Titi. Titi won't harm anyone. Titi is a good ghost. Titi only want the family. Titi's mama and dada left Cookie. Titi alone, please. Said while crying. Yunmin's heart melted to see his innocent face and teary eyes. They already knew his story, so they can understand his pain. They both looked at each other and shared a nod. They agreed with T. They told him that they won't go anywhere. They promised T that they will never leave him alone. Yunmin accepted T and gave him the love which he craved. Few months happily spent. Now Yunmin have two sons. T could do lots of mischiefs together. Both were super happy. Cookie wants a friend and Titi wants a loving family. Their wish granted. Yunmin were happy to see T Cook happy. Friendship can happen with anyone, but the true friendship is one when the difference between two persons doesn't matter. True friendship never apart. Maybe physically they aren't together, but mentally they are always together. The end. Author's note. That's it for today. I hope you all like it. It was the requested story for one shot. I hope I didn't disappoint you. However, our cute ghost Titi and Cookie's friendship. Cookie wanted a friend and Titi wanted a loving family because his own family abandoned him. I know Titi should free, but I only want to show Cookie T Cook's cute friendship. In the true friendship, there is only trust and loyalty matters. Both accepted each other. Yunmin understood Titi and never tried to get rid away from him. They accepted TT as their own son. I hope you all enjoyed it. We will meet soon with new story. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.